This is how to play Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele by Ngiya. The original key of the song is the key of E. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp, okay? So I'm going to start first by playing it with the key of E, but I won't be explaining it, okay? I'm only going to explain it on the key of C sharp. Without waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So on the key of E, it says, Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. So if you want to see the chords on the key of E, just pause the video and watch the chords closely. It starts right here. Ngiya bonga on E major chord, E major second, first inversion, okay? E major first inversion. Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. From here it comes here and then it comes here. I said I won't be explaining it on the key of E, okay? I'm only going to play it. Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. From here, izweleke uhamba nami. Ngimangaliswa nguwe kule ndlela ungiphethe kahle sthandwa Sami. From here it says ungiphethe kahle moyo ncwele. From here it comes here ungiphethe kahle sthandwa Sami. Ungiphethe kahle moyo ncwele. Ungiphethe kahle sthandwa Sami. Okay, sorry for that little mistake. So we're gonna move to the key of C sharp. So on the key of C sharp it says Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. From here, izweleke uhamba nami. We just playing the same thing. Ngimangaliswa nguwe kule ndlela ungiphethe kahle sthandwa Sami. Okay, so let's break it down on the key of C sharp. So it starts right here on C sharp major first inversion, or you can call it your number 1. Okay, from C sharp major first inversion it goes to C sharp major chord. Okay, it moves from here, it comes here. From here it goes to C sharp major second inversion, which is this one. So I won't be telling you all the names of the chords. If you want to know all those things, you can just send me a WhatsApp. You can just join our private community by sending me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. Just send me a message and you'll get more details. So the price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment, okay? So let's jump straight to the song. From first inversion, it goes to major and then it goes to second inversion. Okay? This is where it says Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. And then from here where it says ngizwileke, you're just gonna move this chord to a higher octave. You're gonna play the same chord on a higher octave. You're just going to play this chord right here. Okay? You're gonna move from here and then you're gonna play ngizwileke. Right? Ngizwileke. From here, you're gonna play this chord. Alright? From this one, you come to 1 and then you go to 4. I hope it's clear. Right? Let's start from the beginning before we introduce the bass. It's gonna say Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. Take this chord and play it up here. Ngizwileke uhamba nami. Alright? So before we move further, I'm gonna introduce the bass. Since we are playing our number 1s here at the beginning, because this is 1, 1, 1. The only difference is that this is an inversion and this is an inversion. But this is a root. Okay? It's a major chord. It's a root, okay? So on the left, when you play all these 3 chords, you're gonna play 1 on the left because you are playing 1s on the right. Okay? So you're gonna say Ngiya bonga moyo ncwele. Even up here, you are still holding 1 because you are playing the second inversion chord on the right. C major second inversion. You're gonna say ngizwileke. You're only going to change on the left when you come to this chord, and then you go to number 2 on the left. From here, you're gonna go to number 3 when you get to number 1. So if you are my student and you're watching this video, I just sent part 6 on the group, and then we covered the slash chords. Okay, as you can see right here, we are playing 1/3. Okay, this is 1/3. Okay, I hope you can see where we use the slash chords. Okay, let's start again from the beginning. That was for my students. Okay, bonga, moyo, ncwele. From here, you go here, ngizwileke uhamba nami. And then when you get to number 4, you also play 4 on the left. From here, you're gonna play 5/3. In other words, you're gonna say, and then you wanna go to 4/2. Okay? I don't want to lose you guys. Let's start again from the beginning. Bonga, moyo, ncwele. Right? And then ngizwileke uhamba nami. From here, ngimangaliswa nguwe. And then from here, you're gonna come here. You're gonna go to E flat minor while holding number 2 on the left. Alright? While holding number 2 on the left. From here, you're gonna play C sharp second inversion /G sharp. Okay, or you can call it 1/5. Okay, I said ngizwileke uhamba nami. From here, ngimangaliswa nguwe. From here, from here you're gonna hold your number 5 on the left until you complete all the chords that I'm gonna show you on the right. From here, you're gonna play number 6, 5, again 6, and then 5/7, and then you're gonna go to 1. Let me repeat again for the last time. Sorry. Phethe kahle. Right? Phethe kahle. Sthandwa Sami. From here you go here. Phethe kahle. Moyo, ncwele. And then you go to number 6, 5, 5/6. I mean 5/7, and then you go to 1. I hope it's clear. So you're gonna move to phethe kahle, moyo, ncwele. It's quite easy. You're gonna repeat the same chords that you already played. Okay. So you're gonna study it right here. Phethe kahle, moyo, ncwele. You're gonna do this movement 2 times. You're gonna say phethe kahle, moyo, ncwele. For the second time, and then from here, phethe kahle. We already did this one. Sthandwa Sami. You play it as it is. Phethe kahle, moyo, ncwele. 6, 5, 6, 5, 1. I'm gonna start from the beginning and play the whole thing to you guys, okay? So that you can see how it goes when it's combined. 1, 2, and ngizwileke uhamba nami, ngimangaliswa nguwe. Phethe kahle. sami, ungiphethe kahle, moyo ncwele, ungiphethe kahle, sthandwa sami, ungiphethe kahle, moyo ncwele, ungiphethe kahle, sthandwa sami. Okay, so I hope you saw it, guys. Until we meet again, God bless you.